Then I'm going to show you how to router these holes, make it look a lot nicer and neater once it's completed. So go ahead and route out the holes first. I'm not gonna go through all of these with y'all with this one, so I'm gonna stop right here and I'll bring it back once it's done. So make sure you do both sides. All right, right here I'm going to show you how to go ahead and cut the slots out for these right here. What you do is make sure you don't go down too far. If not, you'll wind up cutting a slot in this part, and that's what you don't want. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and cut out a few more. I ain't gonna go through all of them, just a few of them. So there you go. All right, this is how it turns out with the shells. If you do them all together, see everything's pretty much even. All the holes is pretty much even. Just make sure you be careful with your cuts. That way you don't actually cut past the slots into the actual back of the circle. But there it is.